How to save your wallpaper from the Pinterest app. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set wallpaper from your Pinterest app. The very first step is to launch your Google Play Store. After that, on the top search bar, you can simply search for Pinterest. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Pinterest on your device. After you have done that, you can simply open your application. Go on the home page or you can simply search for the wallpapers or kind of photos that you wanna put your wallpaper on. So if this is the photo that I wanna put my wallpaper on, then I can simply save this photo to my profile. After saving this photo to my profile, I can save this photo on my profile, but I want to save this as wallpaper. So let's go on this one right here, tap on download image or just copy the link and go on the Google Chrome and save this image from online. So after that, you can simply go back, go on the Google Photos or your gallery option, and you know how you can set wallpaper from there. Just go on the Google Photos or the Google wallpapers right there and tap on the photo that you want to put wallpaper as and tap on set as wallpaper, and then the wallpaper will be set on your phone. You just have to download the image from the Pinterest and you should go on the gallery or the Google Photos, and then you can set it as a wallpaper on your device just like that. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.